I've got the trim system sort of semi-installed. I'm just trying to see how this is going to fit. This, if you recall from the past video, this is the trim system that will fit right up there. I can't get it in there because I don't have the cable really put where it's going to go, and I'm concerned that it just seems like it's really just going to barely make it. This cable goes all the way back there, back, and then it goes through there and then back over to the other side. You can see it coming back in over there, and then it connects to these springs, and they're connected to the basically the mixer assembly. And I've got it all connected up. Let me see, I'm going to rotate the knob on the trim system, if I can do this. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. Oh, okay, let me get it tightened up and you'll see it. Nope, you won't see it move. Here, come on, here it goes. There it goes. I think it's moving. Yeah, if you look very closely. Yeah. Okay, it moves very, very small amount. But in theory, what's supposed to happen here is when you turn the wheel, it either will pull on that or disengage, if you will, and the spring will pull it back the other way. And if I have the ruddervators, etc., all installed, they're not installed back there. It'd probably work a lot better. And it basically, when you do that, it changes the position of the mixer, which changes the control rods, that push rods that go to the back and go to the ruddervators, and so it will actually change the pitch angle, if you will, of the ruddervators up and down slightly, and that's how you trim the airplane and pitch at it in pitch. But I'm obviously, this is not final by any means. I need to figure out, I think I'm going to wind up having to drill a hole in the backside back here and then run this wire. But right now it's going to be very difficult to get this to fit. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, more to come.